So Corinna made some posts about me, dragging my name down while we were friends, dragging my name down and saying that she stands with Anna and Atis. Guys, she's standing with a convicted rapist. By Australian police, this man is a convicted rapist, not by me, but from another girl. He did hurt me, and he did hurt the next girl. But Corinna said that she doesn't believe me, even though I've cried to her about it on my bathroom floor and told her some stuff. She doesn't believe me, and she said I'm a pathological liar because I have memory problems, and I lied to her because she slept with my friend's boyfriend, and then I told her that my friend's not mad when she was very mad, and she thinks I'm a liar, and she thinks I'm fake, and she thinks I talk badly about my friends, but I did talk bad about my friends because my friends were fucked, and then I kind of forgave them a year later, so apparently that's fake. She doesn't know Anna, she doesn't know Atis, she's never met them, has never spoken to them on the phone, barely text messages. But oh yes, in 2022 she was texting Atis, and you know, he led me on to believe there was more going on, but there's definitely flirty messages that she even posted on her Instagram story, and then at the same time was inviting me to the Bahamas and trying to be my friend, all while I'm posting on social media that I'm in a bad dark place and I'm so sad and the breakup is too much for me and all this stuff. So that's fucking fake if you ask me. And then she goes on a rant like, ask any of Mikaela's friends that know her, they'll tell you the same thing. Every single friend I've ever been seen with online, every single one has messaged me, and majority of them, over like half of them, have actually posted on their own social medias saying the fucked up stories that they witnessed with the Pauls and me and things that they went through with them. So tell me who these people are that are apparently gonna side with you and Anna and Atis, because we aren't seeing them. Even our fucking hairdresser and the lady that sold us cats and the fucking real estates have my back in this situation. I've got every receipt, and I've just filmed the podcast. God, it was so long and so treacherous, but I'm glad it's over. But if I have to see one more parasocial fan blindly defending a convicted rapist and a fucking horrible fucking person like Anna Paul, I'm gonna lose the plot. I've already lost it. I've been lost the plot for years, because holding something like this in while having the internet villainize you and praise these horrible people is enough to make someone lose the plot. Let me tell you, it's enough. I just can't believe my own friends. I mean, she wanted to sleep with Atis and she's been begging Anna to hang out with her for the last couple of years, would come out and stab me in the back like this. Guys, it caught me off guard. It caught me so off guard. And everything she's saying in her story, she's like, go and ask Mikaela's friends. Go and ask Mikaela's friends. They know. I've spoken to them. What friends?